Hi guys, we have here the Philips LED light, single bulb, 50 watt replacement, 4.5 LED, last 22 plus years. Dimmable daylight, as you can see here, this is what the packaging looks like. You get this online or in stores at Amazon or Walmart. If you're looking to purchase this, please click the link in the video. And as you can see here, give you guys the settings here. If I can zoom in properly. There you go. It's basically a pot light for your pot lights. Flip that over. That's what's on the back. You can buy this in single packaging or packs of 3 or 6 as well. So if you're looking to purchase this, you can click the link in the description, or in the link in the video. So there you have it, guys. Thanks for watching and have a great day.